We have made it. This is a video about dating apps. I am Xerxes. I don't know her name. That's exactly how dating apps work. You don't know the other person.
Hi, I'm Geet. I'm single right now. I've never been on a dating app ever. Yeah.
I'm Subimal, I'm single and I'm on dating apps.
Yeah.
I am Xerxes. I am very committed. I have been on dating apps. Name it, I have been on it.
My name is Ambika. My relationship status is single currently. I'm not on a dating app currently, but I was until last week.
Hi, I'm Kanika. I am currently engaged. I have been on dating apps before.
I'm Shubhangi and I am very married, yes. I've used only Tinder once and I found my partner on Tinder. So I'm one of the success stories.
Oh, wait. So, how long back was that? Because right now Tinder's crap.
We met in 2015.
Oh, yeah, that
Yeah.
explains it.
But we met in Lucknow, so that is weird. And he's Spanish.
Oh, he's Spanish.
Yeah.
Does he like tunde kebab?
He does, yeah.
Do you like tunde kebab?
I love it.
Great, that's a match.
So, because I've never really been on a dating app, what does it look like? Like, I know what people do there, but
So there's a picture with a bio
Okay.
where people usually write not here for hookups, but
Okay.
that's not the intent.
A no bio is like a immediate swipe left.
First of all, I don't understand why men have to mention how tall they are. Like 5'6", 5'9". Why? I don't want to know. I'm not your GP.
but one second. Most men are under the impression, and it's been told to them very often also, that women like tall men. I don't know who would have mentioned that I'm 5'6". That's plain stupid, I feel.
That 5'6" or 5'9" will not make me swipe right on him. That's not the deciding factor at the end of the day.
Really interesting bios. It has to, say something very different.
This guy had written, can you slap your lips on my neck?
I used to have a Rick and Morty like nihilistic quote, which was like very dark and about death. And it was very effective.
Yeah, swipe left.
I think it was something like, nobody belongs anywhere, everyone's gonna die, come watch TV. So they're like, what are we watching on TV?
Something very sexual, okay? So he had written, I'm here for male, male, female, 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 male. I was like, what am I reading?
And then I released my pickup line, which is, doesn't matter what you put on because I'll be watching you.
Whoa!
And how many pictures can I put? Like, can I put 10,
3,
15?
4, no,
That's
not
it?
10, 15. It's
Okay.
not your Facebook profile.
Guys put up 5 pictures from the same place. Like, what is that doing for you? So one thing that I hate that guys do is that they don't put up pictures of them smiling. Like, if I can't see your teeth, I don't know if I want to kiss you or not. I think putting pictures with girls is a good idea. It just shouldn't be all of them.
And how much weightage do you give to the picture and the bio, like between these two?
Picture maybe 40%. Pictures are not that
Be
important.
honest.
I'm being very
Come
honest.
on,
I'm
that's
being very
hard to
honest.
believe.
Like, what kind of a message would stand out? Would you prefer it? Like, I mean, obviously there's a generic hey.
Hey would never work out.
You're gonna hate me for saying this, but don't start with a pickup line. It's the worst.
You said that the guy could not hold the conversation. Sometimes the conversation is about two people, right? What if it's you
Don't
who's
put the
not
blame
able to?
on me.
So, what was it that made you swipe on the guy who's your husband right now? Besides the fact that he's Spanish, hot, and not Indian.
Yeah, just all of those things.
So what's the appropriate amount of time of speaking to each other on a dating app when a guy can ask a girl to like meet in real life?
I think like 2 days, like one overnight, and then the next day you can make a plan for like a couple of days later.
I started with this really weird guy who was a bicycle designer, but started, the first
The way
time
you
I
went
met him.
I almost thought you were gonna go bisexual and then became bicycle.
A guy actually brought another guy to the date, which was really funny.
I think in 15 minutes he was like this.
We were having pancakes and he asked me, what are the tax slabs in London? I'm like, मेरे को नहीं पता. मुझे नहीं करना है. I will go home now. Thank you.
Stand up for what you believe in. If something's not okay, say it's not okay and leave. No one's gonna be offended. If anything, you should be offended for them not listening to you.
So, verified profile, connect your Instagram account, no sexual talks. keep
In
it
your bio.
In your bio. Okay.
In your
Oh,
bio.
okay. Okay.
Bio.
There's so many women who've been through a lot just because of these random messages being
Randos.
thrown at them. So I think probably we're just not trusting of you guys anymore.
As a man, do you find it weird to approach women in real life?
I do, unless I have like 6 shots inside of me.
Have you ever given somebody a chance where you said, "Ki, this is a person I would have swiped left, but let's give him a shot. Let him
Yeah, I
let's
have.
swipe right."
I have.
And did
Yeah.
somebody surprise you? Ki,
Oh
lag
yeah,
nahi raha tha,
he's
but-
my ex now.
Oh.
Oh my god, Hinge is so bad.
Really?
It has WhatsApp me for massage.
There's a lot of like profiles with like, it's just a fake profile. It's like WhatsApp me at 923577.
But I've still not understood. So you said photos don't matter a lot. Bio normal hona chahiye. Then
Yeah.
how do you decide? How do you stand out? Like if a guy wants to stand out, what does he do then?
I mean, your,
Because
your
like you said,
actual personality
supply.
also has to be nice. No, I won't swipe right on a chomu, right?